Hi and welcome to my channel. Okay. Hi and welcome to the talk show of a human trash and her judgmental cat. She loves me. So today I'm going to show you how to cook broke students pancakes. So first you need the flour and you need some water. That's literally anything you want. So if you have a really scary roommate and no and she asks you for some pancakes, you have to do it or she will kill you. So you just put the flour in it, and I actually don't have anything like 2 cups of flour or 1 cup of water. I just so you add your water and then you just mix it, you know. It depends what kind of texture you want your pancakes to be. Today I'm going to add a lot of water so that it can kind of look like a crepe, because she wants cheese inside of it. So I'll just cook it, then turn it over, put the cheese in. Well, I will fold it like cheese. Do not! Oh! It should be called Talk Show of a Human Trash with her annoying cat. And here we go. So remember to ask your scary roommate what she wants exactly in it, because cheese, okay. Well, the crazy scary roommates actually want cheese.
Sugar.
Okay, well, she wants one with cheese and one with sugar, or maybe
Both.
yeah, but like in the same time.
Non, en même temps. Tu mets du sucre dans la pâte et du fromage à l'intérieur du pancake.
Okay, well, she wants sugar in that. Maybe that was too much. So this recipe actually came from my best friend. She's a vegetarian and sometimes she has vegan meals. And she told me when I'm too lazy to do anything, or to cook anything, I'll just put flour and water together. I'll just put it in a frying pan and I will eat it like that, or I'll put some butter or some jam. Then you put some oil, because then if you don't grease the frying pan, the mixture will stick and it will be really annoying. My really intimidating roommate now wants cheese. So I use, you know, the thing you put in burgers. Tu veux les trucs avec les fromages de burger? Oui? Yeah. I can't understand anything when she says that. 1 or 2? Oi! Do you want 1 or 2? Okay, she wants 2 pancakes with cheese. And it's really starting to be really hot. Also, you don't want to put too much oil. It's really annoying when you finish cooking, there's still oil in the pan, because you can't just put it in your sink. It will clog your tubes. The thing in the sink. Really pricey, and that's not really something we want to, because as you remember, we are broke students. If the oil starts to jump, just lower the, oh shit, that's scary. I'm not sure if I'm going to survive that. Always prepare a plate before so that you can already put what you want in it. I know that because my stepdad and my stepdad's parent used to work in a creperie, so where they made crepes, which is a really, I guess, normal thing to do in France. Le beau bébé. I saved your life. You should love me. Do you love me? Okay. Maybe it's too hot. Now it's on 1. And that's when you put the mixture in the scary hot oil. J'ai trop peur. No, it's my video. I'm a not scared, independent woman. Honey. Ha ha! I've done it myself. Yay! Oh wow. I love this highlighter. Do you love me? Turn it around like that without breaking it. You really wanted to have this golden. So now you're just going to put the cheese on, and you have to ask your crazy roommates if she wants some ketchup, barbecue sauce. So you just put delicately cheese on the center, just like this. Right at the end of taking the pancakes and putting it in the plate, you want to put the sauce. Here we go, we take the cheese. Remember to wash your hands, obviously. COVID. I washed mine. Well, I washed them before, but I went to the bathroom and I took the biggest shit of my life. My experience working at McDonald's actually taught me a lot of things. First, people are hurried, and second, it's really easy to just fry things. Take your spoon, your fork, sorry. You just slide it, just hold it like that a little bit, that it's not too oily. You put it in your plate, go and give it to her. So you really want the sandwich. See? The inside, adding some sugar during a fight between the barbecue sauce, the cheese, and all of the flavorness of this delicious meal that I've brought you.
Can I have a fork?
Fuck off. You just go back and take the fork, and you go give it to that ungrateful little piece of shit. Here you go, love.
Little piece of shit. Tu vas avoir un couteau aussi avec.
Oui.
I'm giving you a taste test.
It's good.
That's good shit.
Do you approve?
Yeah, approve.
Okay.
It's about, let's say, 7 out of 10.
Why not 9 or a 10?
Because 9 out of 10 is nuggets fromage.
Yeah, I can't cook that. You know, we're
Yeah,
kind
I
of
know that.
broke.
Because you're a little piece of shit.
Okay, you know what? I poisoned it actually. Oh shit, you really want to die?
The shit, Sherlock.
Okay, well, okay, so goodbye, and I'm clearly the prettiest here. See you on the next video. You can choose what the next video will be. Obviously, I don't have any subscriber beside that little cunt. I might just create an account, put a comment under this video saying, oh yeah, next one, do this. It might be about tattooing myself. Anyway, goodbye. It was a talk show of a human trash and her judgmental Zoe. Yeah, you're here. Ah! Say goodbye. Say goodbye. And we're going to leave you with a little dance from my cat. Tape, tape, tape des pattes. Tourne, tourne, petit papout. Oh, les beaux cousinets, cousinets. Oh, les beaux cousinets que voilà. Ah, ah, ah.